What is going on, everybody? And thanks so much for tuning into another episode of the Tip Share, where we dive super deep into the labyrinth of all things restaurant. Today's episode is going to be relatively short, but it's extremely important. So get up and get excited because it's time to share our tips. Today we're going to be discussing how to calculate California restaurant tax. And when it comes to California restaurant tax, we need to understand that in the state of California, restaurants are responsible for paying sales tax to the state on taxable items. But you might be asking, what makes a transaction taxable? And here's how to calculate restaurant tax in California specifically. So, hot food is taxable. Cold food is not taxable if it's taken to go, but it is taxable if it's consumed inside the restaurant. Also, deliveries are taxable if the food is hot, but not if it's cold. If the delivery contains both hot and cold items, the tax including the delivery charge should be prorated to distinguish between the two. And if the delivery also contains non-food articles like alcohol and convenience items, those items are taxable. Now, when it comes to calculating California restaurant tax, the California state sales tax, which is sometimes referred to as the California restaurant tax, is 7.25%. Additional sales tax might be owed to your county and city, but it's depending on your location. And county sales tax rates vary widely. So Los Angeles charges 2.25%, while Orange County assesses only 0.5% or 0.5%. Now let's get to some tips for streamlining your restaurant tax calculation process. Beyond your point of sale system, a modern restaurant accounting software suite will save you a considerable amount of time when you're examining the books at tax time. Even the best software requires human oversight, so it's well worth the experience to hire a tax professional to review your numbers. And California sales tax can be complicated, and you really want to make sure that you get it right. And as our quick tip draws to an end, we just want to thank you so much for tuning into today's episode of the Tip Share, where we dive super deep into the labyrinth of all things restaurant. We encourage you guys to go give us a like or subscribe to us on YouTube, as well as continue to listen to our episodes on Spotify. We have a lot of advice for how to navigate the restaurant industry, and we just encourage you to reach out with any questions. We'd love to help you, and we are here to guide you through the process. So that being said, thank you guys so much. We hope you have a great week.